Timmy, whatever happened to Lucy?
Lucy who?
Your sister your mom adopted last week.
She ran away.
Whatever, I ain't like her anyway.
Delivery! And what are you delivering? Revenge! Hadouken! Get back here! What am I gonna do?
Get out of the way.
Mom?
I know it's Lucy.
Go in there and show her who's boss, Mom!
Hello, Lucy.
Say hello to my little friend!
Mom, you saved us!
I found out Lucy is a career criminal. My head!